Hey there, this is Tia, and in this video we are going to unbox this MIUI Color Classic Bluetooth earphone, and after that we'll do a quick review of this earphone. So here's the box overview, and I kinda like this black and green color accent box, pretty cool, right? On back side they mention some key specifications like SD stereo sound, splash and dust proof, and so on. We'll talk about it later in this video. Now let's open the box and see what we get inside the box. Warranty card, and you can avail warranty through WhatsApp. It's pretty easy. User manual. If you want, you can take a look by pausing the video. A greeting card from MIUI. We get some extra ear tips, a micro USB cable for charging. Now let's take an overview of the earphone. This is the functional part of the earphone. Here you get a mic, a multifunction button, a LED indicator, and volume button. A charging port on side. Yeah, it's micro USB. And other side is fully plain. Earbuds has a shiny effect on backside with MIUI branding. And one more thing, it comes with magnets. It has flat cables, and this earphone is fully made up of plastic. Press and hold the multifunction button for 1 second. You will see this blinking light. This means your earphone is ready to pair. Then turn on Bluetooth on your device and search for available devices. You will see MIUI Color Classic. Tap on it and in few seconds it will get paired. Now let me show you some features this earphone has. If you press and hold minus button for 1 second, it will go to previous track. And if you do the same for plus button, it will go to next track. And you can play and pause the track using multifunction button. And of course, plus and minus button can increase and decrease the volume. To activate Google Assistant or Siri, press and hold the multifunction button for 1 second. What's the time? Yeah, it's 1:32 in night. To answer call, press the multifunction button. To end the call, do the same. And to ignore the call, press and hold the multifunction button for 1 second. To redial the last number, double press the multifunction button. First, let's talk about build quality. As I said earlier, this earphone is made up of plastic, but it doesn't feel cheap. Actually, it is very sturdy and durable. And it comes with IPX5 splash and dust proof. And that makes this earphone more durable. In audio quality, vocals and instruments are clear and crisp. Bass is good, but don't expect very much. It's good what they are offering in the price of $999. Battery is surprisingly awesome in this earphone. Company claims full charge in 35 to 40 minutes, and it's true. It supports fast charging, but it depends on your charger. I used 18-watt charger and it lasts around 12 to 13 hours. I listened to music in 70% volume and I took some calls as well. And talking about call quality, I didn't expect it will work like this. They are using some MEMS mic for crystal clear calls, and yeah, it really works. And I don't have any complaint in call quality. So my final verdict is, yes, you can consider this earphone. It's really good and justifies the price for what they are offering in just $999. That's it for this video. Like and subscribe for more such videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.